Hello! Kasama ko ang pinakamagaling na game master ng Play for Life.
Hello po.
Si Sir Bon.
Yan.
Sir Bon is a field manager also.
Yes, from
Okay.
Mango NBO.
Yes, magkasama po kami.
Kami, same branch
Ayan,
actually.
magkasama ka. Kwentahan mo naman kami, paano ba, ano bang significance itong ginagawa nating Play for
Yeah.
Life?
For Play for Life, this is actually ang target natin talaga dito is yung mga new clients or yung mga target clients natin and also yung mga existing clients as well.
Correct.
So ang purpose nito is also to give them ano ba yung mga kailangan pa nila in terms of the insurance na in-offer natin and also yung mga possible na pwede mangyari and they have to prepare.
Oo.
Ano kaya yung pwede pa nilang dapat ipaghanda in terms of mga unsudden events. Mga sudden events
tama.
na yun.
Kami, yung first time ko naglaro nitong Play for Life, ang game master namin, si Sir Bon.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, nung
Apo.
naglalaro ako, talagang, alam mo yung minsan, kasi napaka-pangit, hindi maganda yung mga nabubulat ko.
Yes,
Lagi
actually, so parang nasa iyo lahat, di ba? Pero
nasa akin lahat ng
yeah,
challenges.
That's possible, right? That's possible.
Pero alam mo, nanalo
Grabe.
pa ako noon. Second
Correct.
place ako noon. So, yun nga, yung feeling, no, habang nilalaro mo talaga, mararamdaman mo talaga yung, pag na-experience mo yung mga financial, struggles
Correct,
and
correct.
difficulties.
Yes.
Talagang, nakakapanlumo din. Yung nararamdaman pagka naman may mga wins ka, ang
Pero
saya
excited,
din.
diba? Pero talagang very realistic talaga yung Play for Life game natin
galing.
talaga, which is also recommended to all the clients and also yung mga target din natin, no? And it's really helpful talaga for those individuals to give them more idea ano ba ang kahalaga ng insurance nowadays.
Yes. Ako, thank you, Sir Bon.
Thank you, welcome.
And marami pa tayong i-guide mamaya.
Yes,
Mamaya
kaya
manonood
mamaya.
ako sa'yo, ha?
Yes,
Para
thank
matuto
you.
din ako.
Apa.
So, see you sa mga susunod na mga Play for Life in other places
yes.
and next dates to be announced. Yeah.
Apa. Thank
Okay,
you.
see you.